Hi, I'm Steve. I'm a BLUETTI EP2000 customer. I've had it now for 3 months and very, very happy. People are very good to deal with. The installing went very well and the quality is amazing. The pleasant surprises I've had is how we run our house. It's a reasonable sized home. I was surprised with fridges and ovens and air washing machines. With the 13.2 kilowatts of solar on the roof, I was surprised at how quickly that regenerates the battery in the morning. By 9 o'clock, back to 100%. So as winter comes on, I expect that we should still go through the whole day with not using any of the grid, which we haven't at this stage used the grid at all. Really, the only reason I'm connected to the grid is to be able to put excess power back into the grid to offset the bill, and that is working perfectly. So I have anywhere from 20 to 60 kilowatts a day, depending on the weather, that we put back into the grid. Well, the bill, the last one we got, was $23. And that's really only because it wasn't the full 3 months of having the battery. Going forward, I projected it, and Origin's app has already projected that we will have no bill. It's all looking very solid. The BLUETTI EP2000 has a screen, LED screen, that you can walk up at any time and see what you're using and how much you're putting back into the grid and how much is draining from the battery. They're the 3 things it shows on the LED screen. On the app, it gives you a lot more information and different settings, custom settings to how you want to set up your backup. If you just want to use it for yourself or if you want to export to the grid, it gives you that ability to do that in the app, and I find that fantastic and very easy and simple to learn, and it's wonderful just being able to see what the state of your battery. Also, the other thing with the app too is you can look at your usage and you quickly work out what your appliances are using, how many watts they're drawing. We have a tenant too, so I know when he's got the aircon on and how long he's got the aircon on. So it gives you a very good idea. If you're interested, you can really educate yourself to what type of draw every appliance in your house is using, and you know where to drop down usage if you don't need it to make it more efficiently run. The other good thing about having this EP2000 is we get a lot of blackouts living out in the bush a little bit. This will be a system that will just click over like nothing's happened. It will continue on with no glitch. I have been to the recent solar storage and backup. Having met the BLUETTI team is very, very comforting to know that they are very pro having a product that's got a good reputation in Australia. They're a company that you can rely on through WhatsApp. Their technicians are available 24/7 just to address any firmware issues you might have with the app or things that you are concerned about. They're very quick to act on those and get those sorted for you. After 3 months of usage with the EP2000, it's now part of our home and I wouldn't want to be without it.